Nkechi blessing, Nkechi blessing, Nkechi blessing. Some people go to talk say wetin women dey find for this world. Abeg, wetin na all women dey find for this world? After money, na money. After money, na money. Nkechi blessing, im matter don scatter social media o. As in don bid for Ooni of Ife wife. Aye, women, abeg man dey fear women. Man dey fear women. I say man dey fear women. You know, you get some particular women maybe say you go see, we say these people na good women. I not say Nkechi blessing no be good woman o, but you know say as people dey pursue things wey they want for this life, na so e be for Nkechi blessing. You know, na wetin she want, na wetin she need, na wetin she desire, na wetin she don dey dream of. Say one day im go become king wife. Na no be ordinary king, na Ooni of Ife, Ooni of Ife. Na Ooni of Ife Nkechi blessing say im want. But as the matter come be now, country people, it is say wetin Nkechi blessing say im need, we want, we dream of. It think say na the right thing. I be think say na wetin next for her be that. As una fans of Nkechi blessing, you say na dey everywhere. Lovers of Nkechi blessing, you say na dey everywhere. But as you say Nkechi blessing, so she na wetin next for Nkechi blessing. Now she thought say she need or in life want. And as the matter can be, you know, say this our Ooni of Ife. Nah, Baba for the intelligent, great, nice woman. As you can see Ooni of Ife so, she you think say as in be so, Ooni of Ife supposed to collect Nkechi blessing. Or wetin Nkechi blessing say is see for Ooni of Ife. She you think say it dey mature enough. As Nkechi blessing be so, my people, sorry don scatter pass the one wey we dey see for social media. This last week, now so Nkechi blessing still dey use style dey torture im ex-boyfriend. Say im use im ex-boyfriend reach im ex-boyfriend. Imagine woman, from one boyfriend to another, from one to another, from one to another. You know, say all these things, I don't know as woman they do them. Maybe they promote integrity, dignity of women in our society, or the other way around. But we no fit question anybody on top wetin person want, wetin person need, wetin person dream of. You know, say Nkechi blessing as e dey so, now human being like me, like you, like every other person where they listen, where they watch, like you dey so. There are so many things where we say you go need. Me, so many things where we say I go need, gone. But you see, say Nkechi blessing, where she go shoes. Bless say hi. People don't they talk am, people don't they shook mouth, people don't they put eyes, people don't they put leg. We don't know what a woman they want, because some people don't they talk say after devil run for woman. But I don't understand. But I know say waiting Nkechi blessing, waiting she want, she know am. Where she want achieve, she know am. She no look another person say now waiting this person do, now I want do. Now waiting this person achieve, now I want achieve. Now waiting this person gets, now I won't get. But you know, say we all human beings, we get what we want, we get what we need. But Nkechi blessing, Nkechi blessing. But I don't cast for Nkechi blessing, because during the week we say Nkechi blessing, and we see him for Ooni of Ife Palace. We see how they go from one place to another. We see how they exchange greetings. We see how in Ooni of Ife don't they agree on top the matter. You don't see as then they rapport, but now only God know where this life they go. This life, women, integrity in our society, men and integrity in our society, where will they go? Where will they go? Where will they go? As Ooni of Ife be a man, so may you come reach Ooni of Ife side. Now so last year we see say something happen between Ooni of Ife wife we pack come out from your house. We don't know wetin happen, wetin cause am. We don't know. Nobody knows wetin cause am. But wetin I know be say Ooni of Ife in try. On top all the wife, all the women we don't get for palace, Ooni of Ife still dey entertain more. Ooni of Ife still dey take more. Ooni of Ife try na man in be. But woman, and so we dey talk say make them they know where then go they choose. Make woman they know where then go they choose. Make woman they know the kind of thing where they want. The lesson where I think say this Nkechi blessing they teach women be say, what you want, maybe pursue am. What you need, where you pursue am. Dream where you don't dream, maybe pursue am. Because all these things wey dey this world na word limit. You no fit carry and go heaven. So anything wey you like, anything wey you want for this life, you dey pursue am. You go see say e go reach una hand. Abeg, comment for this story, forward this story to another people, share. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe for this channel. It very, very important. That one dey very, very important. Love you. Turn on post notification for next updates. We dey brief you back and back. Thank you.